Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a surprisingly almost boob-hugging new wig by the Amore line called Madelyn. And the color on Madelyn today is called Banana Split LR, which is surprisingly dramatic even in the Amore line. Now luckily we've got a little bit of direct sunlight coming in, so you can kind of see what I mean. It's a very warm, almost kind of like a chestnutty light brown up here that transitions into what the closest analogous color in the Noriko line that I can possibly think of is Sandalwood H. It's very, very similar to Sandalwood H down here at the bottom, where it's kind of like a golden medium blonde, or like the base shade from Butter Pecan without the low lights. It's kind of like what's going on down here. Very, very pretty golden blonde color. So just a extremely dynamic color that starts off dark up at the top and then very light at the tips, and it's a very gradual effect, but especially in this banana split color. I mean, in the macadamia LR, it's a little bit more subtle because the color itself is a little bit more subtle, but this blonde color is so gold and so light compared to the kind of reddish light brown here at the top that it just makes for a very dramatic and very high fashion contrast, which is a nice change of pace from the Amore line. They tend to do very conservative cuts and very conservative colors. So here's a little bit of spice for you. So I am surprised at how much longer this wig is than I thought it was going to be, but I should have known better looking at the actual specs of this wig. For instance, the crown down is 11.45 inches, the bang is 3.5, but the nape is 12.6 inches. So here, let me show you the back. So yeah, quite a bit longer than I had anticipated, which is a nice surprise. This wig is very sleek, very poker straight, has a very realistic amount of volume, not a lick of permatease to be seen anywhere on it. It has quite a bit of layering, especially here towards the front, but the layering is all kind of long. You can see it, like the shortest layer actually falls below my face. So this is a beautiful style, very professional looking. It comes in these LR colors as well as some of the more traditional conservative colors from the Amore line. This wig, like all Amore wigs, more or less comes with a double monofilament top that is very smooth to the touch. It is open wefted in the sides and back. And it is pretty comfortable on, though I consider this one kind of snug just because I have a big head. But if you have a traditional average sized cap, as in it's around 22 inches to 22.5 inches, you'll be in great shape with Madelyn. So I'm going to go ahead and take this wig off so I can show you the cap construction. Like I said before, Madelyn has a double monofilament top that is very sleek and soft to the touch, but does trap heat, so just be aware of that. Generous bump of polyurethane here in the front for a little bit of adhesive, or it's kind of gummy on its own. The back is a little stretchy, but it doesn't stretch much, neither do the sides. It does adjust kind of like a bra strap here, and it does have a slightly, being the keyword, extended nape. Like I said, not a bit of permatease in sight. And if I hold this up to the camera, you can really see how dramatic that color is. There is some red up near the top, and pure gold down here at the bottom. Very, very pretty. This wig weighs about 5.7 ounces. I'm going to go ahead and put her back on while I tell you about it. So she's a little heavy, but for that weight you're getting a lot of hair. And these Amore fibers just feel very lovely to the touch. The bang can be pushed down. It's a little, my forehead is kind of short, so it's a little long on me, but I can sweep it off to the side just as easily. So there you go. This is the Madelyn wig by Amore in the color Banana Split LR. Again, my name is Heather. I'm from CysterWigs.com, and thank you very much for watching. Check out my store if you get a chance. It's CysterWigs.com. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.